Look at this guy. Yeah, Ari, right? Isn't that right, Tony? Ari, yeah. So, of course, Tony, our assignment manager here at Fox 35. You know, a lot of people say, wow, I like dogs, Doc, but I just don't like to smell them. Again, Dr. Wes Borgman here from Seminole Animal Hospital with me. We can stand up now before my back goes out. Why is it that dogs sometimes smell? Or is this something that's natural, or is there anything you can do about it?
No, in many cases there are medical problems that can cause a dog to smell. The most common thing is smells from the mouth. They may need to have dental disease. Also, ears very commonly. If you lift up the dog, like Ari that has floppy ears, if you lift up the ear and it smells worse than the rest of the dog, there may be an ear infection. And then we have skin infections. Many times these skin infections can be caused by bacterial and yeast. And if you're taking your dog to get a groomer and a couple days later they're smelly again, it may be time to see the vet.
Well, Tony says that Ari doesn't stink. But we've all been around dogs that do. So what do you do? If your dog does have a smell, maybe it's funking up the house a little bit, what do you do about it?
Right. Well, at a veterinarian, we'll take a look at them and try to get to the underlying cause. The smell can be the same, but the underlying cause can vary quite a bit. Good shampoos can help, but if you take your dog to your veterinarian, take any shampoos that you've been using, what you've been treating, sometimes we need to do diet changes, sometimes there's some tests, many times it's inadequate flea control. So there can be a lot of causes that cause inflammation in the skin, and then we get the bacteria and yeast that are normally found on dog skin, and even our skin can have an overgrowth and cause the odor.
Hey Tony, when's the last time Ari got a bath? Do you give him a bath all the time?
Got a bath Saturday.
Okay, so
That looks pretty good to me. I gotta say.
How often should you give your pooch a bath?
That is one of the things that overbathing can cause problems as well. But in most cases, the issue is using the wrong shampoo. So that's why I take your shampoos to your veterinarian, let them see what you're using, and then many times we need to just change what you're using. Bathing may be a component of it, but many times there's a medical condition that we need to treat.
All right. Ari, ever have bad breath?
All the time.
All the time? Right now, really? Okay, what do you do about something like that?
Bad breath, brush the teeth. You can use baking soda or pet toothpaste, brushing the teeth, and then if that's not taking care of it, see your vet. We may need to have a
I don't know how many dogs let you brush their teeth. Are they more open to that?
The flavored toothpaste help. There's new finger toothbrushes that you can put in that you can use to clean the teeth. So brushing the teeth is certainly something that can be done, but it's helpful to start at a young age. So if you have a puppy, start brushing their teeth now before they smell, and then it's easier as they get older.
What about, okay, his tongue's always hanging out. We hear in humans, the tongue is where the problem is with the smell. Dogs like Ari, maybe with the flattened nose, does that make any difference? Are there any dogs that are worse
with
than
Ari,
others?
it's hot, and being a brachycephalic reed, short nose, all dogs change their temperature with panting, and so it's normal for a dog to pant in hot weather. The brachycephalic reeds, we hear a little bit more sounds, and that's normal for the breed. But that's the way the dogs cool down. The only way they can cool down is through their tongue and their feet.
All right, so it's bath time for Ari. Tony, you ready?
Absolutely.
Okay, no, we're not going to do it here, though. That wouldn't be good. All right, Dr. Wes Borgman from Seminole Animal Hospital. Always great to see you. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Tony, and then Ari right over there. All right, say goodbye, Ari. We'll see you, buddy.
All right, thanks, John.